Hi everyone, this is the Xiaomi Air Purifier 3H. I'm not going to review this item. What I want to do is that I want to show you what the filter looks like after using this item for 6 months. This is the 3H. It uses the HEPA filter with 3 layers. According to them, that's the best filter they offer, and this is one of the best machines they are offering as well in terms of purifying. This item was kept in the bedroom, and it was being used almost every day during the night, all night. And I'm going to show you now what's inside the air purifier after using it for 6 months. Oh. That's the filter. Now, I can see there are a lot of dust or things that this item has purified, but I'm not sure if this filter can be used once more if it got vacuumed. I'm gonna show you now how a new filter looks like so you can compare. This is Xiaomi. Done. That's how new filter is. That's how the new filter is. And that's how the old filter or the used filter. Now, I'll be vacuuming this filter and trying to see, checking if this filter can be used again. That's how the filter is now after being vacuumed and cleaned. I'm not sure if I need to wash it, but it's almost the same. Do you think, is it worth it to change the filter and buy a new one, or just clean the present one? Thank you for watching.